Hello friends, artist Resin here. So last time I made a crystal cluster in this mold, which was a disaster as many tiny bubbles formed in it. So I'm trying to make it one more time. This is my second attempt on the crystal cluster mold. Let's see if it comes out better this time. So I'll be putting this blue holographic paper. This is perhaps car film. Yeah, car films. So I had got it online. So I have kept my resin ready and I'll pour slowly this time to avoid bubbles. Hey friends, I changed my plan a little bit, so I allowed it to dry completely. There are some bubbles, but not so many like the earlier one. And I tried to correct it as I thought the bubbles were formed on the outer wall, but this also couldn't be revived. So and I'll see what I have to do with this. And now I'll add this holographic film here. I've kept my resin ready. I'll add a little bit just because of bubbles forming problem. I allowed the cluster to cure fully. Earlier I had thought of pouring it in 2 or 3 layers. So now I'll add my foil to it. Working with gloves is not so easy. It's beautiful on this side as well and this side, but I'll put it like this. Try no bubble forms in between the layers. Because my problem has been the bubble former. So yeah, it's over. Inserted the paper. And now I wait for 24 hours. After that I'll demold and see how it comes out. Bye bye. Demolding time. Let's demold it. My paper has come out a little bit. Let's see. I hope there are no more bubbles this time, but I can see them already. As you can see, there are some bubbles, but not that many, and this time it is much clearer, and this part is totally clear part. The paper is here, but it shows blue here also, and I love this effect. So it's a success for me. Yes. So this was my first attempt at crystal cluster, and it was a fail as many bubbles formed into it, and I tried to correct it, but it's a fail. And yes, some colors are visible through, and here it is, my latest one, and I love this one.